Okay, everybody. I want to show you that my Halloween thing.
Yeah.
That my how you said that before last year. You said that last year. Last year, you already seen this. See?
Look at this. I've sharpened my teeth just for you.
Good for you.
Alrighty, here we go. Cool.
Yep, that's my friend.
Hello there, hi everyone. We decorated pretty well this year. We were not going to have parties, but we went ahead and decorated our place anyway, just to get in the spirit of Halloween anyway, though. Just for the heck of it. So we did a lot of decorations this year.
Yeah.
And I think we did pretty well with it.
Halloween.
So, happy Halloween, everyone, though.
Yeah.
So it's cut short on Halloween because we're leaving on Halloween on a trip, though. So.
And
So letting you guys know.
that COVID.
Because of the COVID, can't do a whole lot of anything. So we're making the best of it. So here we are. Keep in the spirit.
Whatever.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
all right, guys. So happy Halloween to everyone out there.
Yeah.
Wish you well and have a happy scare.
And that about one nothing for this year of 2020 is blinking lights. See blinking lights. That's my nothing this year. Here, blinking light. That other light is last year. Oh, this is no, but that's not Halloween thing. Up there, see, that's not Halloween thing. That's like yep, yeah. Some light show all my ghost grabbing and spider and up there and hearing see them. Okay, so okay guys, so that's it, okay? And shall we not to film no Halloween party this year, my friends here?
Yeah. Not this time.
And no drink and drunk at my church.
Yeah, that's postponed. Our trick or trunk at Martin's church will be canceled.
And Halloween party be no more.
But we are doing a special trip to his cousin's lake. November anyway, so we are doing something special anyway.
Yeah, go fishing.
Go fishing and enjoy the lake at his cousin's place.
Lake.
So
hope I see you then.
see y'all whenever that'll be.
Yep. Okay. Anyway, happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween, everyone.
Bye.